Good morning, grade 6. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. And here we meet again. Subhanallah, we talked about communication in Unit 8 and how we can communicate with each other. And nowadays, coronavirus pushed us to communicate by these videos, but at least they are better than nothing. So today we will continue with the book, inshallah, and we will read a different text. Okay, it's a type of literature. It is a poem. Okay, so the lesson for today is a thank you letter by Eric Finney. Okay, so now today you have to listen and read a poem, to answer questions about the poem content and the themes, and to learn new words to describe the sun, and then to describe the writer's feelings about the sun. So please open the book, page 118, 119, and let me ask you these questions before. So do you like the sun? And if you like it, what do you like about it? And what is your favorite part of the day? Do you like the sunrise or the sunset, and why? So you have 2 minutes to think about these questions. Okay, grade 6, thank you. Now, have you ever written a thank you letter? If you want to write such a letter, who will be the person that deserves it? Your mother, father, brother, sister, or a friend? Who? I hope it's gonna be me. Okay, now, so sorry because the quality of the picture here is not that much clear, but I want you to follow in the book. Okay, so all of you have the CD, which is included in the book. If you have any audio device, you can use it to play the audio. If you don't have, so please now listen to me carefully. Okay, now, thank you letter by Eric Finney. Dear son, just a line to say thanks for this and every day. Your dawns and sunsets are just great, bang on time, never late. On dismal days, as grey as slate, behind a cloud, you'll calmly wait, till out you sail with cheerful grace. To put a smile on the whole world's face, thanks for those blazing days on beaches, for ripening apples, pears, and peaches, for sharing out your noble glow, for sunsets, the loveliest things I know. Please carry on, we know your worth. Love from a friend on planet Earth. Now, grade 6. You know that the form of a poem is totally different than a form of, for example, a short story, because in a short story we have characters, we have setting, we have plot, we have conclusion, and other things. But in a poem we don't have. In a poem we don't have paragraphs as we have in a short story. Instead, we have something called verses. And in each verse we have lines, and also in the verse we have also what is called rhyming words. Now, rhyming words are words that are totally different in meaning, totally different, but they still have the same sound. Like, for example, let's say swing, spring, ring, king, her, for example. So these now I want you now to tell me how many verses we have in this poem, and what are the rhyming words that we have in the poem. So I'll give you 2 minutes to think about them. Good job. So in this poem we have 2 verses. Now in verse 1, the rhyming words are say, day, okay, and we also have great, late, slate, wait, Okay, these are the rhyming words here. Maybe I missed something, I don't know. So follow with me. Wait. Okay, in verse 2 we have beaches and peaches and glow. No, only two? I think only two. Yes. So we have here in verse 2 two rhyming words. If you find something else, you can send me a note. Now, my dear students, I want you to think about the writer's feelings about the sun. How did he feel about it? I'll give you 2 minutes. Come on, yalla, think. Yes. So the writer is grateful, thankful, and he's showing his appreciation to the sun because every day it gives a new life to our planet Earth. Now, grade 6, your homework for the next period is you have to listen again and write the answers of the following questions. The questions that you have in activity number 4. Okay, so you have now question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you have to do is to write their answers in the book. Okay, cannot wait to see you again in the next period. Please be safe and don't leave your house. Okay.